Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you why is your FedEx package get delayed. Well, there could be so many reasons that your FedEx get delayed. The very first thing is weather related issue like severe storm or other inclement weather that make it difficult for FedEx driver to deliver on time. Right, so these are some of the reasons which I mentioned here: incorrect or incomplete delivery address, right, on the package label. So make sure that you have entered all the details, your address as well as your location and your zip code is up to date and correct. Because if it is incorrect or it is invalid, then it is going to take so many days to get delivered, and most of the time it will get cancelled. Right, the third thing is recipient unavailability at the time of delivery. Make sure to check your mailbox that there is somebody in your home, or if you have some kind of instruction for the FedEx guy. If you are nobody is at your home to pick up the delivery, you can just make sure that your neighborhood is available, and you can just call that FedEx guy and ask him to deliver to your neighbor. The fourth thing is that the missing or insufficient documentation, especially for the international shipment. If you are receiving some cargo or some product from China or different countries, definitely it's going to be take around 30 to 40 days, right, for that delivery. And it's happened because it goes through custom duty, some taxes and everything. Right. The fifth thing is that poor carrier performance due to factors like labor shortage or prioritizing other package, or you're living at a very remote location, then this could be issue. Right, by the way, you can just if you're facing some kind of issue, you can always go to the FedEx website, which is www.fedex.com, the official website. If you just type FedEx in the Google, you will get it. Here you have to go to the support, right? As well as before going to the support, this is a tracking. Type your tracking ID and click on track, and it will show you where your product or where your delivery is currently right now. You can just go to the support and you can ask them to track your product and why it's taking so much days to get delivered. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.